Welcome to Free Daily Crypto. My name is James Renouf, and I'm so excited to bring this to you because this product produces results. That's the bottom line. You're not here for your entertainment. You're not here hopefully to just consume and not take action. You're here for results, and that's what this brings you. So I'm so glad that anyone with no technical experience, it doesn't matter where you're coming from, you can get free crypto. We don't care about the market going up and down. We're here to accumulate and do a lot of amazing things. Now, I have a crazy upgrade for you. This is the biggest upgrade that I've ever done. First of all, you're going to get access to another way, a different way, to get free crypto by just existing. I know that sounds weird, but just by you being here, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can get passive income crypto every single day. I'm going to break that down to you in this upgrade. That in and of itself is mind blowing, but that's just the start. On top of that, you're going to get my famous or infamous product on Dogecoin that has had many people, some people make six figures, other people really upset that they never took action. But it goes through the groundwork and basis for where I saw a Dogecoin where it is today. Also, the first ever product that's no longer for sale on NFTs that myself and Dave Espino did together. You're also going to get a cool strategy on how to get cryptocurrency just by learning about it, just by being told about it. You're going to get free crypto. That's another awesome one. You're going to get a product that's no longer for sale on Clubhouse, which is an amazing social media platform that I took down after a day. You're going to get how my wife is making crazy money every single month using a Facebook group and selling products. We call that hybrid MLM. So she's doing very well in something completely different that I don't do. So that's awesome. And I love how well she's doing online. And you can see exactly how she does it. And then I have one other course on how you can rank for anything. So a lot of people say, what's the easiest way to make money online? Other than getting free cryptocurrency, obviously, that would be promoting other products. And you can do that in a free way. And I show you the best ways to do it. That has been an amazing product called Page One Foreplay, which is no longer for sale. So all of this stuff is amazing. But the number one thing that I want to bring to your attention today, because it goes along with the first product, is getting free cryptocurrency just by existing. And it doesn't get much simpler than that. So you're going to love this first product, free daily crypto. This goes right along with it. When you have all the other things on top of that, it's an absolutely impressive upgrade, and you really should pick it up. So see you on the inside.